So let me show you how to create a new ads account in the same FB Business Manager account. So for doing that, first of all, you just need to click on the all tool section, and after that you need to go to the business setting, and I'll open the same in a new tab so that our old tab will be here and we can differentiate the ad account by seeing the numbers. As you can see, now we are on the business settings section, and here you can see on my FB I have full control. So make sure you have full control of that business manager account. If you don't have the full control, you are not able to create a new FB ads account for that business manager. So make sure you have full control, access of everything, so that you can create a new ads account. After that, you just need to see the option. As you can see, there is option add accounts in the sidebar, and I click on that, and here you can see I have already created an ad account with the number of last digits 75649, which we are currently using, as you can see here. And now what we need to do is we need to create a new ad account. Okay, that is the motto of our video. So what I'll do is I will click on the add button, and here you can see the option create a new ad account. I will click on that, and after that they will like ask about what time zone, what type of currency we want to use to pay for the advertisement, and what name you want to write on your ad account. Like I will now use the name test because we are creating a test ad account, and I will name it test ad account. One second. And as you can see, we have written the name test ad account, and as I want to create a ad account for US currency and US time zone, so I have choose American Los Angeles and US dollar. Then I will click on the next button, and I will choose, there are two options, choose the ad account for your business, or you are creating this ad account for another business or client. So I will choose it for my business right now. If you want to create like ad account for your another business or your client, you can choose another option. Okay, then you just need to click on the create button, and as you can see, now we have created that. Now they will ask about access, like which people you want to give access of that particular ad account. So first of all, you just need to add those people in your business manager account so that you have the option of them here. As I have already added these both profile in my business manager account, so now I will be able to give them access of the new ads account. But just I need to do is I just need to click on their names, and then I will give it the manage ad account access, like full control, so that they will create campaigns, create ads, setting up the audiences. So they will do all the things in the ad account. So that's why I have given them the full control access. Now you just need to click on the assign button. After that, they will ask for the payment info, and this is some kind of confidential thing, so you can do it at your end. You just need to click on the add payment info, and once you click on it, they will ask about the payment details like cards, like if you want to use the credit card or some kind, what kind of currency you are using, you just need to put it here. And after that, your ad account will be ready for advertisement. As you can see, now we have the ad account here, and we have the access of that as well. And now I will copy the ID, like ID number of the ad account, and I will first of all I will refresh it, and after refreshing it, I will click on the top bar and put that ID, the new ad account which we have created. And as you can see, once I have put that ID, it will take some time, but it will be shown. Now as you can see, we have the ID and ad account. It is in the business manager account, the test ad account, the new ad account which we have created. It is here now, and we can use it for advertisement. I will click on that, and it will redirect us to the ad account where we can use it, create new campaigns and that kind of stuff. Okay, so this is how do it. This is how we create a new ad account. And now we are on the new ads account. And yes, sometimes what happen is, like if you are not able to give access to the new ads account, so what you will do is you can go to the business settings section, and then go to the ad account section, and click on the ad account on which you want to give access, and after that you just need to click on the assign people button, and here is the assign people button. And after that you can see we have the option which we have previously seen in the video. We have the same option here. You just need to click on the buttons and you can give the access of your ads account here. So this is how we create a new ad account in the same business manager account and use the same for advertising. So thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.